Hello there, welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how we can write array in JavaScript. First, you need to know what is array. In the variables, we just store one value. One variable contains only one value. But if you want to store multiple values, we use array. If you don't understand what I'm saying, then don't worry. Let's create an array and you will understand what I'm saying. Okay? To create an array, just write similar way you write variable, just write var x, and now what you need to do is just type equal and just type square bracket, and between these two between these brackets or in these brackets, what you need to do is just type values, whatever values you want to write. For example, I want to write the name of fruits. I'm gonna type the name of my array fruits, so it makes better sense. Or you can rename it whatever you want. The first fruit that I want in the array is apple. Write in between double quotes because this is a string. Second thing that I want is apple orange. Third, let's write strawberry. Oops. I think I just spelled wrong for strawberry. Maybe right or correct. I don't know what's exactly the spelling of strawberry. I think this is the right spelling or not. I don't think it's the correct spellings, and just three are enough, I think. Yeah, let's write another one. Mango. Mango. It contains four fruits names: apple, orange, strawberry, mango. Fruit array contain four fruits names, which are apple, orange, strawberry, mango. So this is basically, you can say, this is a variable which contains four values. A variable contains only one value. You can say array is a special variable which can contain multiple values. This is the better definition of array, I guess. But an array can contain many values, as many values as you want. Okay, that's how we create an array. For example, you want to print you want to output or you want to alert the first element in the array, which is apple. To do this, what you need to do is just type alert. We're gonna alert this and just write the name of our array, which is fruits. Then type square brackets. Now one thing that you need to know is index. What is index? Basically, if you know a little bit about other programming languages, then you must know what is index and you must have some idea about arrays. This is the zero index. First value is at zero index, second is at 1, 2, 3. That's how it goes. First one 0, next to it is 1, and next to it is 2, and next to that is 3, and that's how it goes: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So I want to print the value which is at index 0. Just write the name of array, square brackets, and then type the index of value you want to print. I want to print the first value which is at the 0 index. I'm gonna type 0, and now it's gonna alert apple. Now let's refresh it. You can see apple. If you want to print strawberry, just check on which index it is. It is 0, 1, 2. It is at index 2. Just type 2. Oops. Strawberry. It prints strawberry. Now, for example, you want to print all of these four fruits in the alert box one by one. First apple will appear, then you click on OK, then another alert box will come, it will say orange, then click on OK, another pop-up will come which says strawberry, and then mango. Okay, now to print all of these four fruits, what you need to do is use loop. But I'm not gonna cover loop in this lecture, because in this lecture I want you guys to just understand what is array. I'll be covering loops in the, I think, in the next lecture or in the next lecture, I think. I don't know, but I will be covering loop, how we can traversal through array in a loop. In that lecture I will teach you how we can print array. Okay, but in this lecture I want you to get fully understanding about array. For example, you want to add another value in the array, you can simply write comma and double quotes and write here. But there is a function that you can use to push a function to push a value at the end of this array. To push another value at the end of this array, what you need to do is use push function. Okay, just write fruits, yes, dot push, and write whatever value you want to push. Now we want another apple, we want another fruit, jelly beans. I think jelly beans is not a fruit, but who cares, just write whatever you want. Jelly beans is actually a fruit. Yeah, I think it is fruit, I'm not sure. Let me tell you one thing. When we push jelly beans in fruits, it comes at the index of 5. Apple is at 0, orange is at 1, strawberry at 2, mango is at 3. When we push jelly beans, it comes at the index 4. Now let's print the value which is at index 4. Let's refresh it. You can see it says jelly beans. Jelly beans comes at the index 4. Okay, sorry, at the index, at the index 4. Now when we need to use this push function, when we are doing dynamically work, when we are doing on, we are not coding actually, we are just adding values in the array dynamically. If you guys don't know what is dynamical, then don't worry. When you learn other stuff like PHP or other programming languages, web scripting languages, and you know what is I'm saying about dynamically. In the dynamic website, you don't need to get your hands dirty with the codes. You can do by the interface. There is an interface. You can write title, description, upload image, and you can click submit, and products come in your website. This is called dynamically website, the dynamic website. Okay, and I am creating a course which will cover everything about dynamic website. Okay, so there we use push function. Okay, it just pushes the value at the end of the array. Okay, that's how we add value at the end of array. Now if you want to check the length of your array, what is the length of my array, just write the name of the array and then type dot length, length. Oops, length. Now it will return the length of our array. Just refresh it. It says 4. The length of our array is 4 because 1 2 3 4, there are 4 elements in our array, and it says 4. So hopefully you guys know how we can create our array, how we can print any index we want, and how we can find the length of our array. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.